Today on Pro Street TV, we'll be testing the Rag Company's 6-piece clay bar kit on our Project IS300. We're going to find out whether or not this beginner-friendly kit can safely remove embedded contaminants, restore a smooth finish, and properly prepare this older paint for polishing and protection. This kit can be found on our website and includes 2 clay bars, a bottle of P&S Paint Gloss clay lubricant, and 3 microfiber buffing towels. Before we start, we'll wash down the Lexus, obviously, and then inspect the paint. You can either run your hand along it or put your hand in a plastic bag and lightly run your hand over the car. Embedded contamination should be fairly apparent and kind of be obvious to you as you run your hand smoothly across the paint. And it also gives you a clear before and after indicator. Don't forget, claying is not the same as polishing. It removes the material that's bonded above the clay coat, but it won't correct scratches or oxidation or etching or swirl marks. You'll need to take that to a polisher and get a detailer on that, which we'll be doing right after this.
Going right here to the C-pillar. Dude, all of it's gross. All these contaminants on the paint. It's just so old.
This is John, you're watching Pro Street TV, so let's get to work. As we begin, the Rag Company says its Ultra Clay Bar can remove decontamination through the paint, glass, plastic, any moldings when paired with a lubricant. And we'll be using, again, P&S Paint Gloss. We'll drag. Don't forget, lubrication matters. Dragging clay across dry paint is less than detailing and more like creating more problems. So make sure to be liberal with lubrication here. After you wash the car, make sure to dry and inspect. Now when prepping to clay bar the car, technique is paramount. Remember, use lots of lubricant, light pressure, straight overlapping passes. You can go left or right or up and down as we're doing here. When the clay becomes dirty, which it will, you'll need to fold it over to expose a clean surface. Just remember that the clay needs to be clean wherever you need to clean on your vehicle. If it hits the ground, just toss it. Don't even bother. As you see here, we've prepped the Project IS300 for polish, and it's just the beginning of our modifications on Project IS300. Follow along. It's John from Pro Street. If you haven't already, please hit that like button, turn it into a burnout for me. And in conclusion, this Rag Company clay bar kit, in the end, is genuinely a complete starter kit for paint decontamination. It restores that smooth glass-like finish without making it overly complicated or having you damage the finish at all. So if you've got an older vehicle like our Project IS300, this one's perfect. Get yours at prostreetonline.com. Till next time, guys. Thanks.